All right, how's it going, guys? Welcome back from quote unquote spring break. I hope you guys were able to relax a little bit. And for those of you that have to be out and about and um, doing what you need to do, I hope you guys are staying safe, being careful, staying healthy. I just want to go through a couple updates and just kind of the plan for the rest of the year here. As you now know that we are not coming back to physical school this year, but there are still things that we'll do and need to get done. So just go through my checklist here. Personally, my family's doing okay. Kids are having fun for the most part. Um, my oldest, he is 2.5. He's potty trained, I would say. So that's been something that's benefited us, is being able to do that with him, and seems like it's in a timely fashion. Other than that, we were able to get outside a little bit when we had a couple nice days of weather, and looking forward to more of that as the time goes on here. So plan for the year, the rest of this year. Basically, we're going to chunk this out into kind of weekly topics. So you notice this week, and this kind of leads into my next bullet point as well. Canvas. If you jump on Canvas, I did change the homepage now. It's another page, and it looks similar. But the way this will be organized is this is April's e-learning assignment. So currently, I have this week's. So you can see down here, April 13th. That's this week. And there'll be your assignments listed here. I'm going to continue the numbering of those assignments as I have, so that way in the gradebook you can easier keep track of what it is that you've done and what you haven't done, and go easily find those. So this is April, little introduction. The video here that you're watching right now is posted right here. A little bit of time travel on my part, no big deal. And then the very first thing I really want you to do right now, right after you watch this video, is the survey. And this is just to give me a little feedback about how things went before spring break, some information about what you're dealing with at home and what you're having to do and extra responsibilities and that kind of thing. Because I know some of you are definitely babysitting siblings, or at home with younger kids and doing other things that you, being at home, have to do now. And I get that. So the survey there is for you to help me know what those things are, and just help me know how I can help you better. So that's what that survey link is. Take a few minutes, please, fill that out and let me know honestly what you're dealing with, as much as you can. So then again, you can see down here the week of April 13th. There's 2 assignments listed there. They're both up. The assignment number 5, it's a little different in terms of you are going to submit your work, your written work, so your notes. So you will, there's a document that you need to open up and then do problems on your own paper. And then that's what you will submit as your assignment. There are some extra examples there to help you work out and remember some of the factoring that will be there. But make sure you realize that you are submitting work, and there's a video there to help you know how to do that as well. So everything is right here. Click here for all links and materials for assignment number, should change that to number 5. So you'll see that updated already. But everything is there. So read carefully, work through it carefully, and make sure you submit in the end. Let's go back to my checklist here. Office hours. This is going to be a little different. I didn't really have office hours. I mean, I was available Monday, Wednesday, Friday by email as usual. And that's still the case now. But these office hours, what I mean by this is, that means I will be readily available to help you answer questions face-to-face or video chat, or you can see my screen and we can work out some problems together. But that will be something I want to do for Wednesday and Friday from about 2 to 4. So that will be a time where, again, you can just jump in and get some help on some questions and jump back out for the most part. Sometimes I might have specific things I'll do or demonstrate, just as extra examples. But for the most part, it'll just be an open, come and check in, even if it's just to say hey, and then leave. I'd love to see your face, and yeah. So whatever you need, right? That's what that's there for. So be on the lookout for that. 2 to 4. I'll have reminders sent out as the time goes on here, and as it's a newer thing as well. Grades. Some of you have emailed about grades because I've put stuff in Skyward, and so you can see what you're missing kind of pretty quick. And some of you have emailed me and said, "Hey, I did this." That's great for you to do because I won't update grades every day. So I'll go through every now and then and fill in what has been done now. But if you know you missed something a couple weeks ago and you just did it, if you just shoot me a quick email, that would be excellent. Just to say, hey, I did this, and I'll go and take care of it pretty quick. Otherwise, it'll just be a couple days or a week or so that I'll look at updating grades. But basically, here's what I need you to understand: if you're doing the work, right, you know you finished the Canvas quiz, you know you did the Khan Academy, you've done what you think you were supposed to do. Number one, if you're not sure, just ask. If there, whatever you're not sure if you did everything or not. But number two is don't stress about your grade. Your grades in the end will be up to date. They will be completed, finished. And again, if you know you're doing the work, then you shouldn't stress about it not showing up in Skyward or that there's a zero there. That's just a quick, easy way for you to know really, really quick, what did I not do yet? So let me go do it. And then if you know you've done it, it will get updated. Okay, it will not be forgotten. That brings me to my next point about all of this communication. Just use email, use the office hours. To get help, to ask questions, to clarify, to make sure I know that you submitted something, or just to let me know whatever is going on in your life that might affect things for a week or a week and a half or 2 weeks. Communication is huge right now, and a lot of that is obviously electronic. So you've got to make sure um, you do that. You use the communication piece. Okay. Um, be on the lookout. I know some of you participated, some of you did not. I think I had like 23, 25 people overall in my sweepstakes. So look for a sweepstakes round 2 coming up, hopefully this week. See if I can put together this week, but definitely the next week or so. Look out for that, and see what it's asking you to do, and then do it, and be entered in a drawing to win something that I don't know yet because I still have to make it up. So there you go. Something to look forward to. So again, hopefully you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing well. Again, feel free to touch base with me, whatever it is you think you need or need help with. Let me know. So the office hours, just to reiterate, that's not the only time I would be available for a video conference or video help, but that would be the time where I would most readily be available. So sometimes if you want to shoot me an email and say, hey, can we jump on and check out a question or two? It just kind of depends throughout the week. But Wednesday and Friday from 2 to 4, that will be the time where I really try to be on and be available right then and there. Okay, so take care. Make sure you do the survey now, please. And I'll see you when I see you.